Hey there Titans, in this video I'll show you how to configure your custom view in the Titan DocuSign. Alright, so what we have here is a simple document with dynamic mapping from Word, contact full name, and we have some interactive fields, a title and some other text, and a signature. And I created it using the form Titan add-in for Word. So we have the mapping from a contact object and two interactive fields and a signature, and then we uploaded it to our DocuSign, and we've configured the Salesforce configuration to grab the information from the contact object, and then we have here a simple signer from the contact as well, and simple condition, contact ID equals record ID, and we've mapped the field from the contact object to our signer. So we have the first name, last name, and the email. All right, now let's see in our Form Titan package for Salesforce. Once you click FD Generate Document, and I'll click on the Actions View Document, you'll see that right off the bat you have nothing here. It just shows you the document, and you can print it out so you can view it before sending it. Let me show you how you can configure your custom view. So if I'll head back to Document Settings, Document Access, and I'll select the custom view and I'll hit configure, you'll see a bunch of options here. So allow download PDF, allow download docs, allow configure users, allow upload, and allow send. Let's tick one, and you'll see dynamic based on field. This is really cool. What you can do with this thing here, you can decide depending on your object. In our instance, a contact, so imagine we would have a formula field saying if so and so happens, return true or false, and then basically the allow download PDF will be accessible or not depending on your field, and every single one of these options has it. So let's tick all of them and I'll show you what this does. I'll hit apply and save, and I'll head back to Actions, View Document, and let's see what we get. All right, so you can see we have a lot more options here. We have upload, download, send, and users. And we can do a bunch of stuff with this. So let me show you. What we could do is, for example, Titan sees that you have one user configured, since this is what we got from Salesforce, and we want to add a field. Let's say we want to add an email field, and I would like it to be here. Another thing you can do is, let's say you decide you want another signer. So let's give it a name. We'll do dynamic signer, and let's do at gmail.com, and we're going to add some fields. We're going to do signature. You can see that it's in blue, and we can change the layout of the items as well. So basically you can design it right off the view. So right from the view you can do whatever you want with this, add as many signers as you like, etc. So that should be enough. And let's say you want to change something in your template. Let's say you want to remove this section or add something else. So what you can do is, and this is all demonstrated download, so I'll download the docx since this is my template, and I'll open it and watch how cool this thing is. So let's say I don't want this paragraph, and instead I want to add some stuff here. Okay, I'll save this thing, and then I'll go back to my DocuSign and I'll do upload, and I'll throw my saved version in there. So I'll throw it right in here. And now you can see my changes reflected immediately on the doc, and you can see that all the mappings are there. The new dynamic signer that I've added, and the new layout for the fields. And the only thing I have left to do is hit send. Once I hit send, my users will get it. And now if one of them signs, this one is the first one, it signs and fills up the information, the second one will get it. Another cool thing with this is that you can change the order of the signers. So let's say if you want the dynamic signer to sign first, the only thing you need to do is click the up button, and it will get it first instead of the second signer, and so on and so forth. So let's just sign this real quick, and we'll do this, and we'll do some email here, and we'll enter some text, and let's send it to, we'll click finish sign, and now my second signer will get it. So I'm just gonna head back to my email, and here it is. It's form Titan demo plus admin, my second user, my dynamic signer that I've added dynamically. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and sign over here. Select this signature, put some text in there, finish sign. And now once everything is done, I'll refresh my record, and I'll have my document attached to my contact record, just like I've configured it in the DocuSign. So just in the related, and here's my doc, and this is how it's done.